In this video, I'm going to show you my most powerful tool for pre-market analysis and choosing levels on S&P 500 that work. It's based on Dealer Gamma. Dealer Gamma provides hedging opportunities for really big spec positions, and knowing these levels can help you uncover really strong resistances and supports that help you base trades off of. Let me show you the tool. What I use is on Interactive Brokers, and it's called their options analysis tool. Now, it's very important when you're using this that you have the options volume selected. The part that many traders get wrong is that they use options volume to try to find key levels on the market, and they go really far out in time. This gives you a level where traders are incentivized to make a move because their options expire today. Now, when you look at this on the SPX, you'll see that 6,900 has 3,000 contracts, and that's the biggest call option level. That becomes a resistance in the market. When you look at the puts on the bottom half, you can see that the biggest level and the cluster is around 6,700 to 6,685. That's really far away and probably won't impact today's session, considering the S&P 500 is at 6,850 at the moment. The one on the put is 6,800, the second biggest cluster, and you can see there's not as much put gamma. But the upside becomes a really big resistance at 6,900, and you want to note that level down because it comes into play every single day. This is part of my pre-morning market prep, and don't worry if you don't have Interactive Brokers or you don't want to do this research. I do it for you, and I give it to you every morning market update on YouTube at 9 a.m. Eastern, and I also post it on my X at George Papazov. You can follow me there. One of the biggest and most important things to do is once you have the level on the SPX is to convert it to the ES by taking account for basis. Basis is the difference between the ES and SPX price. The way to do this is to pull up a chart of SPX, see what it's trading at on the index, pull up a chart of ES, and see what it's trading at. Subtract those prices. That's your basis. You have to adjust these levels to take into account basis. Otherwise, they'll be inaccurate and your levels will be off. I hope you enjoyed this video and how I use Gamma to pinpoint highly accurate levels for my trading session during pre-market prep. I'll do this for you, but also if you want to learn more about order flow, day trading futures, head on over to TradePro Academy and have a look at our community. Like and comment, and I'll interact with you in the comments. Let's take the discussion there. Have a great day.